wa Kenywa.
Gavana MUTUMA ntwithingia NAURITIE ANTU GUCIUMAIRIA KWEJANA NDAMU MAGITA kwa MAGITA KENDA KWONOKIA MIOYO. Reverend MUTUMA ARIITIE za KAGITA KARIA GUTONGERETIE MUBANGO JWA KAUNTI JWA KUTHURANIA NDAMU KUUMA KIRI ANTU BAWEENDI WEEGA. MUBANGO JUJU JWA UEJANI NDAMU JWAMBIRITUE ni kaunti ya MERU na RWANG'I rwa Red Cross.
Asante sana.
Today we gather not just to speak of service, but to act, to give not just from our hearts, but from our very veins, to donate not just blood, but a chance at life. We all know someone, a neighbor, a child, a mother, a father, whose life once hung in the balance, waiting for blood.
We take a special moment to honor and appreciate individuals for unwavering commitment that has significantly strengthened MERU's blood donation efforts. We proudly recognize civil servants, our civil servants wetu hapa Meru County, for their self-driven, consistent participation in blood donation. These individuals have demonstrated a rare culture of compassion, leading by example in saving lives.
Itoritendamwe tesawa baraben barabamba ko itapenti dhatu ibaite kanani yanamuntu amba kuita lemwe onite kanderende kuongela sedia dewe tegeria. Asante. Basi tuwe tunatoa kila baada ya miezi mitatu. Madaktari wanatuambia the body system has its way of replenishing the blood after every 3 months. Na usiogope, provided you are healthy and you go through the process, you can donate blood and you'll be safe, and also the recipient will be safe.
Karamutedia maiki na awe